Exmark Vantage commercial stand-on mower provides landscape professionals with superior performance, productivity, and operator comfort. This operator safety video provides an overview of the safety features and operating characteristics of the Vantage mower. It is not a substitute for reading and understanding the complete operator's manual provided with the mower. Always operate the mower safely and be aware of specific terrain and mowing conditions. Drive with caution and keep the mower's speed under control. Stay well clear of water hazards. Beware of drop-offs and wet grass, especially when mowing on inclines. Operating the mower on any slope or ramp requires extra caution. Carefully mow hills from side to side, and never mow an incline with a slope of more than 20 degrees. The Vantage mower is properly balanced and at optimum stability with the operator's weight on the operator platform. However, operators have the option of walking behind the mower under certain conditions, such as driving up hills, parking on a trailer, or when storing. When operating as a walk-behind, stay behind the mower in the operator's position. Always wear proper clothing when operating mowing equipment. This includes appropriate work boots or shoes, safety glasses, and hearing protection. Long hair, loose-fitting clothing, and jewelry can easily catch or become tangled in moving parts. Make certain that safety shields and all equipment is in place on the mower and functioning properly. Ensure that tires are inflated to the recommended pressure. Do not operate the Exmark Vantage mower unless all mechanical and safety systems are performing properly. The fuel tank is located forward of the center control panel and controls. The fuel shutoff valve, located at the side of the engine, should always be closed when transporting or storing the mower. Use extra caution when fueling, and never remove the fuel cap or add fuel when the mower is running or the engine is hot. Only add fuel to the mower when outdoors and only in a level, open area. Do not overfill the fuel tank. Fuel and vapors are explosive and extremely flammable. Prior to mowing, evaluate the area and terrain to determine how to safely perform the job. Carefully inspect the area to be mowed and remove any objects such as rocks, large branches, or other debris that may damage the mower or be thrown by the motion of the blades. Consider what accessories or attachments will be needed, and use only Exmark approved equipment on the mower. Before mowing, make sure the area is clear of other people. Stop mowing and immediately halt the motion of the blades if people or pets enter the area. Be continually aware of the mower's direction of discharge and direct the discharge away from vehicles and buildings. Again, never allow the discharge to be directed toward people or pets with the blades engaged. Operators must be thoroughly familiar with all safety features and safety alert symbols, and must be completely trained in the functions of the controls before operating the Vantage mower.